Alright, we're good.
What do you notice about the 100 chart?
Because it goes all the way to 100.
It goes to 100. It starts with what number?
1.
And it goes all the way to 100. Now, as we go down, that's me, sorry. As we go down the 100s chart, our numbers get bigger or smaller. Down this way. The numbers get what?
Bigger.
They get bigger, right? How do they get bigger?
They going down.
Well, they do go down, but how do they get bigger? How do the numbers change as you go down the 100s chart?
The tens change.
The tens change. So they get bigger by 10, right? Now look at it going across. How do the numbers change there?
It gets
The
bigger by
The ones change, right? So we can count across by going by ones, right? Well, now, this week we have learned how to add a 2-digit number and put some tens with it, right? We learned how to add ones to a 2-digit number, and we learned how to add two 2-digit numbers. Today I'm going to show you a trick where we can use our hundreds chart to add two 2-digit numbers, okay? So the first problem that we're going to look at, that you're going to write with me on your paper, so you can just put it on top of here. We're going to be flipping back and forth. So let's do a number 1, and let's do 57 plus 28. And don't forget our equal sign. 57 plus 28. Plus 28. No, don't forget your equal sign. Alright. Now, the first thing that I want to do is I want to see which number is bigger. Which one of these numbers is bigger? 57 or 28? Kyson? 57. So I'm going to circle 57. Okay? Now, you told me that as we go down the 100s chart, our numbers get bigger by 10. You also told me that as we go across the 100s chart, they get bigger by what? 1. So, I can go down the number of 10s that I have. Look at this next number, 28. Look at 28. Nope, 28 on here. On your sheet, 28. How many 10s are there in that number? 2. So under the 28, I want you to do a down arrow. Do the best that you can. Perfect. Then, we can go across the number of 1s that we have. How many 1s are in this number 28? 8. So let's do an arrow going across. That'll help our brain remember that we can go down the number of 10s and we can go across the number of 1s. We're going to start at our bigger number. You told me that 57 is the bigger number. So find 57 on your 100 chart. Just put your paper to the side so you can still see it. There you go, like that. Find 57 on your 100 chart. Kyson started at his 7 because he knew 57 had how many 1s? 7. So we're going to start at 57. I'm going to go down the number of 10s that I have in the other number. How many 10s are in the other number?
5.
Look at it. How many 10s are in the other number?
2.
2. So I can go down 2 times. Let's go. 1, 2. What number should we be on? 77. Now we can go across the number of 1s that we have. How many 1s are in the number 28, Leland? 8. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. I'm at 80.
You have to go down. You have to go down to 81.
I have to go to 81. Okay, so let me back up to 77. Let's all back up and recount again because I got kind of confused. So we're going to go over how many?
8.
8. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number did you land on?
85.
85. So at the end of this sentence, let's write 85. Now, we always want to check our work, right? To make sure that we got the right answer. So, let's line these up. I'm going to have 57 on top plus 28 on the bottom. And we're going to add these numbers to make sure that we got the right answer. When we add 2-digit numbers, the first thing we do is we start with the 1s. How many 1s do I have in all? 15. Can I write a whole 15 down
Then
here?
you gotta put a 1.
Got-
and then
You gotta put your
zoom
5
1.
and do your 1.
I put a 5 and zoom my 1 up. Now what I need to do?
Add all your 10.
Add all my 10s. How many 10s do I have in all?
8.
8, right? 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8.
85.
Did I get the same answer both places?
Yeah.
Yes, so I got my answer what?
Right.
Right. Let's do another one. Skip down a few lines and let's do number 2. Let's do the problem 33 plus 29. Okay. Do you remember when I said the first thing that we're going to do? We have to see which number is bigger. Look at these two numbers, 33 and 29. Which number is the bigger number? 33. So let's circle it, because that's where we're starting at. We said we could go down the number of what? No, not 1. 10s. So let's put a down arrow under the what? Under the what? The 2. And we can go across the number of what, Kyson? The 1s, which is a what? How many 1s do I have, Kyson? 9. So what number are we starting at on our hundreds chart? 33. Everybody find it. 33. I'm going to go down the number of 10s. How many 10s are in the number 29?
9.
How many 10s? 2. So let's count them. 1, 2. What number are you on now?
53.
53. Now get to go across how many? 9. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number did you land on?
62.
2. Everybody write 62 at the end. Okay. Now, let's check our answer. Leland's already started. 33 plus 29.
I've been started with Leland.
First thing that I want to do is do what? Add my what?
10?
We add our 10s first?
one.
We add our 1s first. How many 1s do I have in all? 3 plus 9 is what?
12.
12. Can I put a whole 12 down here, Quirtle?
You have to put the 2 and your 1.
Put my 2 and then zoom my 1 up to my 10s. Now I can add all of my 10s. How many 10s do I have in all?
6.
6. 1 plus 3 is what?
62.
1 plus 3 is...
6.
Leland, listen to the question. 1 plus 3 is
4.
4. 4 plus 2 is
6.
6. Did we get the same answer? Yes. Let's do one more together, and then you're going to do one on your own. So skip down a few more lines, and let's put number 3.
What's these for?
This was for my last group. Number 3. Let's do 12 plus 30. 12 plus 30.
I know.
Okay? Now, we're going to start with our what?
The bigger one.
The bigger number. Which one's bigger?
30.
30. So let's circle it.
So we're going to start with 30.
We're going to start with 30 on our hundreds chart. Now, I can go down how many times? We're looking at our other number. How many times can I go down?
1,
1. How many times do I need to go across?
2.
2. Okay. Let's do it. Where are we starting at? 30. Everybody put your finger on 30. Okay. I'm going to go down how many times? 1. Now I need to go across how many times?
2.
2. Can't go this way, so I got to go down and go 1, 2. What number did you land on?
42.
42. Now let's check our work. 12 plus 30 equals... Go ahead, Aquarial, say it.
You have to add your one.
Add my ones. 2 plus 0 is 2.
1 plus 3 is 4.
1 plus 3 is 4.
They make 42.
Did we get the same thing?
Yeah.
Yes, we sure did. Now, number 4, you're going to do on your own, okay? Let's do 62 plus 20 equals. I want to see you work this whole problem by yourself. Okay, so then what's your answer? Write it, and then I want you to check your work.
Good.
Oh, good.
Did you get it right? You got the same answer both times? Leland, what about you? Same answer both times? Tyrese got the same answer? And so did Kyson. Now, I have a question for you. You started on 62, which was right because that was the bigger number. Okay, you started on 62. And then I could go down the number of what that I have? The number of tens, which was how many times, Tyrese? 2. And I can go over the number of ones, right? Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes, the number of ones. So, I'm going to start on 62. I'm going to go down the number of tens. How many times did you go down? 2. 1, 2. Well, how come none of you went over any?
Because it says 0.
It's 0.
Because you had 0 what?
0.
Ones. So, if I have any ones, do I need to go across? No. I just have to go what?
Down.
Just go down. So, I got 82. Good job. Let me take these up from you.
So, what we do with this?
You're going to leave that right there.
Hold on tight.
No, just leave it there. I want to see if you can do one on here. Just put your name on this real quick. Yeah, you can put your name and number on it. Let's do, write this addition sentence with me. 35. Now, Aquarial, you give me a number that you want to add to 35, a 2-digit number. 20, okay.
This probably easy.
Equals. Use your 100s chart to find the answer to 35 plus 20.
I'll write that.
Good.
A big nose.
He's fine. Use this 100s chart because that's what you're going to use on your classwork. Now see, what was this supposed to be? A 0, and you wrote it kind of like a 6. So now do it.
Push.
55. Awesome job. Now y'all open it to the inside.
I circled my X's too.
Yours looks like this. I want you to do this side and this side. Let's do the algebra problems at the bottom. You're going to do the back. Kyson, we're not done. Okay, go real quick. And then don't do the journal. We're going to do that at the end, okay? Got it? Thank you. Go back to your desk and get busy.